All set.
All right, I got a 1978 FXE. It's original paint. Got it like 3 years ago from either the second owner or the first owner, I can't remember. Only to do a few small things. It had an S&S on it, but it came with the factory carb, which I rebuilt, put back on. The engine's all rebuilt. It came like that. It literally looks brand new inside. When I had the carburetor off, I looked in the intakes, and the valves are all brand new. The cylinders and the heads are they're factory, but they're all fresh and mint looking. Bike runs perfect, no leaks, no smoke. Yeah, it's just a really nice stock bike, low miles, clean. You know, little blemishes here and there, but it's a real nice stock bike. Little extra chrome on the primary and the kicker cover. Other than that, this thing is bone stock. It's pretty cold out. That's not smoke. That's just because it's miserable here, and that's what happens. Motor's super quiet, no ticking. Got the factory mag wheels, which I really like about these later bikes. 77 and up. Fully serviced. Speedo work. The tack does the typical Harley Davidson tack thing where it just does the dance. All the lights work, all the blinkers work. Factory oil cooler with the cover on it since it's cold. Went through and the brakes all work great. Brand new oil in the transmission. New brake fluid. Everything's pumped and adjusted. It's a really cool bike. I love the black and white with the mag wheels. I think it really looks good.